Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we're looking at the new Karcher K2 power control pressure washer. At the time of recording, I picked this up from Amazon for just under £110. Link in the description box below if you're interested. I've also reviewed the Karcher K2 Premium Full Control and the Karcher K3. I've reviewed other pressure washers on my channel as well. I'll leave a link to a playlist in the iCard and in the description box below if you want to watch them videos. As you can see, it says app supported. All the new pressure washers, the power control ones, are supported by the Kärcher Home and Garden app. That's more suited if you have the expensive model like the K7 and the K5, because it pairs up through Bluetooth and it'll let you know what setting you should have your pressure washer at when you're washing your car, your paving, or whatever you're washing. You just let it know and it'll let you know what setting the pressure washer should be at. But with this model, the K2, it just gives you hints and tips. But me personally, I will be using an app with the pressure washer anyway. I don't feel the need for that, but it's there if you do want to use it. So what I'll do is I'll take everything out, we'll put it together, go through what's included, and then we'll take it outside to do some pressure washing. Remember, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated, and do subscribe to watch more reviews. You get some paperwork. Remember to register your pressure washer. You get 2 years guarantee with this, letting you know how to use it. Instruction booklet, K2 power control. And there are the QR codes for the app if you want to use the app. It comes with a 5-meter pressure hose, a dirt blaster lance. You can see it's got pictures of bricks on there. So this is to do hard area, like your floors and stuff. The multi-lance, it's got images there. Mix, that's if you're using like detergent. Soft, it's got a picture of a fence there. Number 2 for cars, and then 3 for hard brick and stuff. It just twists. That's the actual gun. It's got a lock on and lock off there. If you push it, it's locked. That latch there, I'll show you when you put the hose on there. You have to open it, and when the hose is there, you lock it and it locks securely. There is a little bit of assembly required. You got to put the wheels on first, lay it down and just push the wheels in. You can hear a click. Same with the other side, just put the wheel in. You need to put the handle in. These parts are facing at the back. So it just goes in like that. It would only go in one way. As you can see. And then this, you could see it's got them 2 things there. Them 2 things there. This just slides on. That's it. Assembly is completed. This is where the pressure hose would fit. You lift it up and it would only go in one way. And then clip that down and it won't come out. To release it, push that up, just pull that out. That of course is the on-off button. To put the hose onto the pressure gun, pull this forward, push this in and lock that. Make sure it's secure. To remove it, pull it forward, just pull that out. To connect any of the lances, you push it in and twist to your left. It's on. To remove it, push it in again and twist to your right and it's removed. They both fit on the same way. That's why Kärcher called this gun the quick connect gun. This would fit in there. Both of the lances fit on each side. This here is the quick connect. You need to put this at the back of here to connect your hose pipe on. That just screws on. On this side, it's got this little pipe. That's for if you use detergent, you just dump it into the bottle or bucket and that will suction the detergent, and then the rest is controlled by the lance, which I will show you. So you could see there where it says mix. You use it on that setting when you're using detergent. At the end of my hose, I'm using this Karcher Quick Connect Aqua Stop. I picked this up from Amazon UK for around £8, I think it was. I always use this with every pressure washer because I read reviews on a lot of the people were saying the other ones blow off. I've mentioned this in my other reviews as well. So I use this. I'll link this down below if you want to pick this up. And this just clicks on. Okay, I've turned the mains on. I've connected the water supply. Now, you never run the pressure washer dry. So I've turned the tap on, but I haven't turned the pressure washer on. I'm going to push the trigger first. As you can see, a few drops of water are coming out. Now I'm going to turn it on. You heard it, they're kicking to life. I'm doing it with the multi-lance first, and I'm setting it on hard because this is wood. I'm not using the dirt blaster lance because the dirt blaster lance, I'll show you that when I do the paving, that's really fine, and I'm scared it might damage the wood on this, which I don't think it will, but still better to be safe than sorry. See, it's cleaning the paving as well. I've cleaned the bench, and you could see there it's cleaned the paving as well. It's done a good job actually for a 1400 watt pressure washer. I left it on the hard setting, and when I change the lances over, I'm going to put the dirt blaster lance on. That's a fine spray, as I mentioned before. You'll see how effective that is. Okay, I'll just finish the rest of the bench off and then I'll do the paving. I've put the dirt blaster lance on now. I'm going to do this bit here. As I mentioned, you could see how powerful this is. If I come at that little weed plant from the other side, it will get rid of that as well. It's a fantastic piece of tool, this. Hopefully you could pick that image up on the camera properly because the water's coming back this way. But it's very important to remember, do not use this on your car, any plastic or wood for that matter. Well, I'm not sure about wood, but I wouldn't use it. This is only for stone, and it's even got a picture there of stone. And there we go, you could see before and after. There you go, you've seen how good this little Karcher K2 power control is. My overall thoughts, it's a great little pressure washer. One advice, if you do have a lot of paving to clean, maybe just spend about £10 extra. I think it's on for £120 at the moment. The Karcher K2 home portion kit it comes with. I've reviewed that with my other two pressure washers. I didn't get it with this one because I didn't need it. With that, you could clean the floors a lot more easier. It covers a larger area. It does do a good job. Overall, yeah, I'm definitely pleased with this and I recommend it. I'll leave a link in the description box below if you want to pick this up, and if you want to watch the other videos, I'll also link them down below. Remember, if you found the video useful, a like would be appreciated. Subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. I need to get back to cleaning.